For making the pasta dough, our first step is going to be breaking the eggs into our flour. We're going to add 4 eggs to the 4 cups of flour, or 1 pound. As I said earlier, if you have a kitchen scale, that is great for measuring out flour. Then you don't have to worry about it being too compacted in the measuring cup. If not, about 4 cups is equal to 1 pound of flour. So we've almost got those eggs in there. And then once we start mixing, you're just going to use a fork to mix. You don't need any special spoons or anything. And we're going to start with mixing the eggs. You want to get those all nicely mixed together as well as you can before you start incorporating it into the flour. So you can see the yolks are all broken, and we're going to start working that into the flour. You want to have a nice thick dough when you're finished mixing it. So you want to work really hard to get everything incorporated. This, of course, is an egg pasta dough. Pasta that you buy in the grocery store is just made out of flour and water. This has a little bit more to it. It's going to be richer. So let's keep on mixing this until we have a nice, firm, stiff dough. What you want to end up with once all of the eggs and flour have been mixed together is one solid mass of dough. If it doesn't hold together initially, you can add a little bit of water at a time, but you don't want the dough to be sticky. So now that we have it all mixed together, it's time for our next step, which is kneading the dough.